Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you all how I recreated Deepika Padukone's wedding look. I hope I did justice. I think she looked absolutely stunning. Very simple on skin and heavy on the eyes. I hope you guys really like this, and guys, please subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me. And yeah, let's quickly get started. I hope you guys like this look. I try to create as close as possible. I have just primed my eyelids and set it with some loose powder. So this is a very basic brown smoky eyes I'm going to do today. So I'm going to take a light brown color as my transition shade, just like a wash of color. I'm going to sort of build up the color on my crease area. So now I'm taking a dark brown shade and slowly packing that on my lid and blending it towards the outer corner to make sure it looks seamless. Packing on more dark brown to intensify the lid area, and that's it guys, it's that simple. So now I'm highlighting my brow bone and the inner corner. Now I'm gonna apply gel liner and slightly gonna wing it. I'm using the Maybelline Drama Gel Liner. All the products are mentioned in the description box down below. Please check it out. And then I'm gonna set and smoke the gel liner using the matte black eyeshadow. I'm gonna do the lower lash line later once I'm done with the base. So I'm priming my face using the Lakme Blur Perfect Primer. I'm applying this all over my face today to get a smooth base. I think patting motion is better to apply primer. Don't rub like me. Let's move on to the foundation, taking L'Oreal Infallible and Caramel Toffee. This just oxidizes, guys. Next time I'm gonna get one or two shades lighter. And please suggest me any full coverage drugstore foundation names. I want to try something new. Just checking whether the camera is focusing or not. Next up, I'm gonna use the Elle Girl concealer in the shade Fawn. If you are my skin tone, this shade is your right match. You can even skip using the orange corrector like I did today. This shade has enough orange to it, so it does both concealing and correcting. So then the same steps, gonna highlight the usual areas to brighten up my under eyes, forehead, bridge of the nose, cupid's bow and chin. With the age rewind concealer, best concealer ever. I'm in love with this concealer, covers up anything, hides your dark circles, fine lines and instantly brightens up. Then I'm gonna set my under eyes with some loose powder and move on to bronzing. I'm not gonna set my entire face to have that dewy effect. She had a very glowing, flawless looking skin, by the way. So for bronzer today, I'm going to be using the Juvias Place Blush Palette Volume 2. I'm taking the contour shade and bronzing up the hollows of my cheek, my temples and my jawline. So then I'm using the same palette for blush. I'm taking this peachy corally shade and applying to the apples of my cheek. For eyeliner, I'm taking the Colourpop highlighter in Wisp. My favorite, this one is blinding though and gives you that wet dewy kind of look. And applying to the high points of my face. Now I'm gonna do my lower lash line. I'm using the Nykaa EYEM black kajal. I'm just gonna apply thick kajal. She went really smoky on her lower lash line, so I'm gonna smoke it out using the matte black eyeshadow. Onto my lashes, now I'm using the Maybelline Gigi Hadid's mascara. This gives me instant lift and plumps up my lashes. So I'm going to give some nice thick coat, and I think today I'm going to be wearing some falsies. I really hate wearing lashes, it's a pain, but this look craves for it. So I'm gonna go put on some falsies off camera and be right back. For the lips, she was wearing a nude lipstick, so I'm gonna go mix in two shades to achieve that perfect nude shade she was wearing. I'm applying the Nykaa Liquid Matte in the shade IT Girl, just lightly dabbing it and taking off the excess with a cotton pad, and then I'm gonna go apply Madras Kappi on top. I forgot to bring the bindi pack and I felt too lazy to move around, so I used the red lipstick for bindi. And you know what? The struggle is real. So that's it, guys. That's my Deepika Padukone's wedding look. I really love how this look turned out, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. So please subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me, and follow me on Instagram to get more updates. And I do mini tutorials there. So yeah, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.